Good day, Wildcats. Dr. Hartley here. The first award we're going to recognize is the Mathematician of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above what is expected to achieve more in math. Today we are presenting awards to December and January mathematicians. Congratulations to all recipients. Elena Drake, Trevor Scott, Lizzie Calvin, Keaton Donnelly, Lucas Hirschberger, Bailey Deerdorf, Lance Gilbert, Maddox Shanks, Gage Petschel, Bailey Bentley, Jack Hoover, Joe Cummins, Evelyn Hunter, Tyler Ritter, Colton Houston, Cage Cantrell, Deegan Donnelly, Raylan Neal, Titan Chouse, Reagan Middleton, Gabriel Peak, Liam Kinney, and those are our December winners. Now for January. We have Mason Weaver, Rylan Horn, Henry Wiseman, Matthew Forbes, Annabella Crook, Ava Stevens, Xander Baskew, Terrence Miller, Carter Bonert, Sadie Jones, Trip Williams, Tyson Kling, Klein Sleister, Kinsey Siebert, Mia Ruff, Amelia LePage, Braxton Runyons, Taylor Ward, Chet Craycraft, Presley Ryman, Miller Hillbrandt, and Hadley Crotty. Congratulations to all our Mathematician Award winners.
Hey Wildcats, Mr. Graber here, and so we're giving out lots of awards today because we're recognizing our students for December and for January. So the first awards we want to do is our Service Above Self Awards, and these go to our third graders who go above and beyond to help other people in all different kinds of ways. And so our Service Above Self Award is sponsored by our Rotary Club, and the students who get that award will get this special little kind of gift box. It comes in a popcorn thing. So our December Service Above Self Award goes to Ilana Drake, and our January award winner goes to Logan Weissman. So congratulations to those two third graders. And now for our Wildcats of the Month awards. These awards are sponsored by our Harrisonville Police Department. And in addition to the certificate, you will get a yellow t-shirt. So these, I'm going to say all the awards for first, second, and third graders. So our Wildcats of the Month for both December and January are Marley Spratt, Bryson Heidemann, Caleb Ritter, Kaylin Holt, Nolan Davis, Riley Collins, Jabriah Spratt, Braxton Ingracia, Evelyn McCracken, Ty Jackson, Darren Borman, and Haley Joyce. So congratulations to our Wildcats of the Month for both December and January. And finally, I wanted to recognize two classes for our Counselor Awards that both Mrs. Sumner and I recognize. So for December, our Counselor Award goes to Miss Holman's second grade class. And for January, the Counselor Award goes to first grade S. Mitchells. So those students will get like a little box with different kind of fun questions that you can ask your class. So those are the two Counselor Awards.
It's Dr. Hartley again, and we're going to recognize our December Character Award winners. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited trustworthy behavior during the month of December. The recipients are honest, dependable, and make great choices each and every day. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for December. Levi Tomasek, Evelyn McCracken, Colton Sanders, Emily Smotting, Destiny Bedford, Kaysen Enos, Farrell Johnson, Leah Newland, Blakely Milam, Ben Wiseman, Aiden Miller, Finley Williamson, Amy McIntosh, Olivia Garrett Reynolds, Maggie Peterman, Wyatt Guntert, Devin Mayoleth, Gavin Gutjar, Jordan Roach, Genevieve Oldham, Persephone Woodford, Serena Morales, Connor White, Danny Naylor, Elijah Carver, Lexi Danforth, Kason Meyer, Addison Rinker, Kara Widener, Hudson Hargrave, Carson Rogers, Madison Cavender, Cecil Lynn, Olivia Queza, Jamie Miller, Riley Cave, Kaylin Holt, Havriel Bisserell, Brantley Harrell, Emma Rorvig, Madeline Feast, Trenton Lindsay, Lindsay Wilson, and Sorlyn Castro. Congratulations to our December Character Trait Award winners. Good day, Wildcats. Dr. Hartley again. And this is our Character Award winners for the month of January. The Character Trait Awards are given to 2 students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited compassion during the month of January. The recipients are kind, considerate, and show empathy to their fellow classmates each and every day. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for January. Marley McCullough, Zeta Gibson, Eli Wiederman, Alyssa Overcast, Aubrey Seymour, Rylan Gilkey, Alexis Saldana, Matthew Inky, Addison Goddard, Riken Caswell, Tyler Metler, Reese Cooper, Charlie Huckabee, Aiden Gunn, Adelaide Ruffton, Dawson Jones, Mackenzie Miller, Landon Hessenflow, Gatlin Brown, Naomi Gaskins, Easton Allen, Raven Tomlin, Asher Gardner, Bree Robb, Chase Dunsmore Walker, Mackenzie Soderstrom, Jackson Brown, Aubrey Burkhart, Liam Cates, Keller Williams, Miguel Alvarez, Jamie Chesser, Gage McCracken, Farrah Bruce, Phoenix Lucart, Walter Wiseman, Bella Heron, Aaliyah Barker, Juliana Torres, Ashley Erickson, Nolan Payne, Avery Saunders, Brinley Terwilliger, and Dee Dee Klinger. Congratulations to our January Character Trait Award winners.
Good morning, Wildcats. It's Coach Lockett. I will be announcing the December and January PE Awards. During the month of December, we completed our basketball unit, and in January, we did soccer. Both sports require teamwork and participation. The students that are receiving the PE Sportsmanship Awards are not necessarily the best at that sport, but instead they showed good understanding of the sport, were great teammates, and had the best teamwork. The winners of the PE Sportsmanship Award, first grade girls, are Reagan Middleton and Brooklyn Gutjar. First grade boys are Maverick Slotshauer and Chet Crackraft. Second grade girls are Sonny Jackson and Riley Collins. Second grade boys are Gavin Gutjar and Brody Maureen. The third grade girls are Chloe Cronin and Marley McCullough. The third grade boys are Henry Wiseman and Zaid Zor. Good job. The Class PE Award is going to go to the class that had the most participation, had the most fun, and showed the most teamwork. The class winner for December is Mrs. Hammond's third grade class, and the class winner for January is Miss Harrigan's second grade class. Congratulations, guys.
Hi, HES Wildcats. I'm so excited to once again recognize some amazing musicians and leaders who've been achieving some wonderful progress in music class. These students could very well be some of our future songwriters, music producers, music teachers, performers, and much more. So, without further ado, I want to begin with our December music stars. The class for December that did a great job and earned the most stickers on the Bravo board was Mrs. Baldwin's third graders. For the individual awards, for Miss Arbace's class, Elena Drake. For Miss Baldwin's class, Lizzie Calvin. For Mr. Baraska's class, Zayden Davis. For Mrs. Dahl's class, Sophia Wise. For Mrs. Drabant's class, Wyatt Gwentert. For Mrs. Hammond's class, Connor White. For Miss Hassick's class, Kylie Williams. For Mrs. Hopper's class, Phoenix Kaufman. For Mrs. Culpepper's class, Judson Meeks. For Mrs. Durnell's class, James Morgan. For Miss Harrigan's class, Elijah Carver. For Mrs. Hastings' class, Keller Williams. For Miss Holman's class, Logan Sexton. For Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Oakley Gibbons. For Mr. Wade's class, Connor Chastain. For Mrs. Arnold's class, Alyssa Overcast. For Mrs. Brown's class, Keaton Donnelly. For Mrs. Eccles' class, Abby Enderly. For Mrs. Florence's class, Annalise Resch. From L. Mitchell's class, Walter Wiseman. From S. Mitchell's class, Allison Hall. And from Mrs. Schenker's class, Georgie Kaufman. Give those December award winners a round of applause. Next, I want to present our January music stars. The class for January that earned the most stickers on the Bravo board was Mrs. Drabant's third graders. And now for the individual awards. For Mrs. Arbace's class, Case Caldwell. For Mrs. Baldwin's class, Henry Weisman. For Mr. Baraska's class, Gus Carter. For Mrs. Dahl's class, Devin Cameron. For Mrs. Drabant's class, Cage Williams. For Mrs. Hammond's class, Danny Naylor. For Miss Hassick's class, Lily Bothworth. For Mrs. Hopper's class, Jace Dickens. For Mrs. Culpepper's class, Tyler Metler. For Mrs. Durnell's class, Aubrey Johnson. For Miss Harrigan's class, Brandon Gott. For Mrs. Hastings' class, Layla Johnston. For Mrs. Holman's class, Jabriah Spratt. Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Trenton Lindsay. Mr. Wade's class, Petra Arnold. Mrs. Arnold's class, Ethan Larkham. Mrs. Brown's class, Farrell Johnson. Miss Eccles' class, Gatlin Brown. Mrs. Florence's class, Tanner Sexton. Mrs. L. Mitchell's class, Taylor Ward. Mrs. S. Mitchell's class, Zoe Angel. And Mrs. Schenker's class, Reagan Middleton. Great job, Wildcat musicians.
Hello, Wildcat family. It's Mrs. Henderson from the Art Room. I'm here to recognize some very special artists in our family. The first group are a group of third graders who participated in a coloring page contest. And these third graders' artwork was photocopied to create coloring pages for our whole school. The theme of the project was Thank a Farmer, and it was done in collaboration with the Farm Bureau and with the help of Cass Career Center's teacher, Mr. Jason Dekoff. We will be giving our coloring pages to the community and as a way to say thank you to the farmers. These third graders are Braden Westover, Darren Borman, Gus Carter, and Marley McCullough. Congratulations, artists. For the next part, I'm going to recognize the December and January Art in the Community Awards. And these are so small, let me go ahead and put on my glasses so I can see a little better. For December, we have the artists Abby Coltrane, America Rodriguez, Eiley Green, Harper Gilmore, Henry Wiseman, Joseph Bardwell, Justin Hirschberger, Kinsley Smith, Nevaeh Rose, Raylan Neal, Rooney Julene, Sebastian Zaror Guzman, and Tristan Saylor Lundeen. Congratulations, December artist. And for January, we have Aiden Miller, Deegan Donley, Destiny Bedford, Harper Branham, Marley Spratt, Maverick Sletchhauer, Maxim Mitchell, and Reese Cooper. I'm very proud of your work. The next awards I'd like to recognize are the Classroom Art Awards, and both of the classes that I was thinking of for December and January have shown amazing growth In regards to teamwork in the art room, this definitely is highlighted at the beginning with a quick start, and at the end with a really great cleanup, and throughout the class just being encouraging and working hard and staying focused. For the month of December, I noticed Mrs. Sonia Mitchell's class, and for the month of January, Mr. Waite's class. Congratulations, Wildcats, and can't wait to see you back in the art room.
Hi Wildcats, this is Mrs. Lahman, and my awards for the month of December go to Mrs. Schenker's first grade class. For the month of January, I give the library award to Mrs. Culpepper's second grade class. Both classes do a great job of getting books turned in on time, and I really enjoy having them come in and participate in class. They make library really fun. So thanks guys, have a great day.